Hey everyone, welcome to Me Here in Tech, the place where we explore the latest AI tools, smart tech hacks, and step-by-step tutorials to make your life easier and more creative. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a tech enthusiast looking for advanced tips, you're in the right place. Stick around and let's dive into the amazing world of AI and technology together.
In 1940, the world held its breath. Brothers in arms faced the impossible, and still they moved forward.
Whoa, elephant, move. Hey!
Give it!
Hey, yo, look at the sign. Get the kids inside, horn. It's heading for Union Place.
Now, let's take a look at some amazing videos we just generated using Sora 2. You'll see how easy it is to bring your ideas to life. Just type a prompt, choose your settings, and the AI does the rest. These videos were created in just seconds. And the best part, you can generate unlimited videos for free. From cinematic scenes to creative animations, the possibilities are endless.
All right, let's get started. I'm opening my browser and typing MindVideo AI in the search bar. This is the amazing AI video generator we'll be using today to create stunning videos instantly. MindVideo AI is a powerful tool that turns your text prompts into fully animated videos using advanced artificial intelligence, fast, easy, and completely online. MindVideo AI is your all-in-one creative platform packed with powerful tools, from video AI and image AI to more than 30 professional video effects and editing tools. It even includes Sora 2 free mode and the latest VO 3.1 video generator so you can create stunning, realistic AI videos without limits, all in one place. Now, let's click on the Login Free button to access MindVideo AI. You don't need to pay or subscribe. Just log in and start creating videos instantly. I'm logging in with my Gmail account. It's quick and easy. Now you can see how powerful MindVideo AI really is. Here, I'm generating videos and images in just seconds. You simply type your idea and the AI instantly creates stunning visuals, from cinematic scenes to realistic photos. There are tons of styles and effects to choose from, so you can customize every detail. Whether you want short clips, creative ads, or AI-generated art, everything happens right here. Fast, smooth, and completely free. Now I'm selecting the text to video option, and for the generation model, I'll choose Sora 2 free beta. This one lets you create videos completely free, with no coins required. Some of the other advanced models here might need coins or credits, but Sora 2 free beta works perfectly for unlimited video generation. Now let's create our video. I'll paste the prompt I prepared. Next, I'll select the aspect ratio that fits my scene, choose Sora 2 free beta as the model, and click Create. Over here on the side, you can see the video is being generated. The progress bar moves as the AI turns our prompt into a full video, and it's all completely free. Wow! Look at these results. They're so realistic and amazing. You can take these AI-generated videos and upload them directly to YouTube or other social media platforms. You can even create your own channel, produce content just like this, and potentially earn money from it. It's that simple and powerful.
Catch me if you can. Whoa! Boink!
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, press the bell icon so you never miss an update. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll make sure to answer every one of them.